Wednesday, March 14th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. And warmth, that's our big weather story here. Really not only for the next few days, but really right on through the next 7 days or so, we'll be well above average, even though the temperatures will back down a bit as we get into next week. Let's take a look at the radar imagery this morning, and that is a summer-like looking radar composite there. All the faults returned around all the various NEXRAD sites, indicating kind of a soupy type of air mass in a lot of places this morning. The muggy type of air leading to some fog in some instances, and actually since I saved this image, parts of the Charlotte metro area have gone under a dense fog advisory as well. Barely, though, a pretty quiet pattern over a lot of the country once you get east of the Rockies. Look at the warmth. Even places like Minneapolis, St. Paul, well into the 50s for low temperatures this morning. Very warm pattern overall. Up in the upper levels, here's what it looks like off the European model this afternoon. Basically a zonal flow here across the southern tier of the country. Now there'll be a little disturbance, kind of ripple our way and drive a weakening boundary into our region here on Friday and Saturday. That'll probably enhance the chance of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms for Friday and Saturday. And behind that boundary, we cool down just a bit. But notice the huge ridge that continues to crank over the eastern parts of the country. It's, again, a little deceptive, even though you have a very significant ridge over the eastern U.S. as we get into next week. This is Wednesday morning. For at least the first couple of days of next week, the surface flow will be out of the east and northeast, and so that'll hold our temperatures in check, cooler than what you would think if you just looked at the upper level chart. Now, even though the chance of rain today and tomorrow in any one spot is very low, I do think a few isolated showers and thunderstorms will form. This is a look at the SPC WRF, and this is valid this evening. And notice just kind of an isolated coverage of a few showers and thunderstorms, similar to what we saw yesterday afternoon, and I think it'll be the same deal tomorrow too. A handful of isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but in a broader scale, the warmth, the bigger story. Highs today, low and mid-80s. I think low and mid-80s again tomorrow too. And then as that weakening boundary drops in, we'll see a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Friday and on Saturday. And then notice here as we get into Sunday, might be tough to see on the video, but the surface winds here out of the northeast. And so I think as we get into Sunday and Monday, highs backing down toward the mid-70s in a lot of spots. And just a very slow-moving trough out west. You have a big trough and low-pressure area over the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle regions by Tuesday on the GFS. Kind of a slow-moving line of convection ahead of that. And that front on most modeling does eventually get here, but not until late next week. So there you go, warmth, our big story, kind of an early summer type of pattern here. We're just getting the March version of it, and really when you get this type of pattern in March, I mean, it's pretty good stuff. A lot of quiet weather, but pretty warm conditions too. But this time of year, it doesn't really get terribly hot, so not bad at all over the next few days. Get out and enjoy. All right, that is it for today. Everybody have a wonderful day on this Wednesday, and God bless.